Hello and welcome to a new video from Skolera. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the last part of the student interface. In this part, we will look at the communication or the connect section. Connect section is made up of two different parts, messages, and this will show me a list of the messages that I've sent or received from teachers over the different periods. You can here filter by sent and received if you wish. So these are all the messages I sent right up there. If you want to check any of the messages, just click on the message and it will show you the message and the replies that came from other users as well. If I don't want the message, you can just click on the message and from the actions button right up here, you can archive this message. Confirm the archiving and the message will disappear from here, and it will tell you here that the archived messages, you have one archived message. If you want to go back to this archived message, just click on archive. It will show you the message. You can still take a look at it right there. If you want to bring it back to active, you just unarchive this message, confirm unarchiving, and it will return back to being an active message and will be displayed in the messages part right here. The second part is the announcements. Now, unlike messages, as I said, is a two-way communication, whereas announcements is a one-directional communication. It's a message coming from the school administration, and they will all be listed right up here. Remember that announcements are found in two places. You can find active announcements right up here in this icon with the number of active announcements displayed. An active announcement is an announcement whose show until date has not been reached yet. So this one will continue to be active until the 1st of October 2024. After this date, it will disappear from the active announcements and will be part of the archived announcements. You can still go back to these archived announcements, any of the earlier announcements. You can take a look at it, view the content, view what was written inside the announcement. And if it included files, you can view the files that were added. You can also download these files if you need to. So these are basically going back to our archive messages, older messages and older announcements. They will be kept on the system at least till the end of the academic year. So in Connect, once more, that's what we covered today. In Connect, in the Connect section, we've gone through the old messages and the old announcements and how we can see our messages and announcements, how we can archive messages, and how can we refer back to older announcements. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you in future videos from Skolera.